Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Today I've got a big box from Taiwan. So yeah, it's a pretty big box, so I guess I better get to opening it up. So let's do that. Alright, so I'm not entirely sure what's in this box, so I'm gonna put this down here. Starting things off, we have bubble wrap. Nice bubble wrap. There are 2 boxes in this box, and here is, very good. So I'm going to be doing a meet the manufacturer with Taiwan Tobacco and Liquor, and they make really popular products in Taiwan. And I wanted to make sure that, because they sent the pack varieties, but they didn't send the bowls, and I really stressed to them that I really wanted to try reviewing all the bowls, and it looks like that's what they've sent. So these all look to be the same bowl? No? Yes? No. These are different. These are different. Is this different? My eyesight is so good that I kind of have to like, oh yeah, these are totally, these two are different. Okay, so this SKU ends in 4507, 4507, 7849, 7849, 4507, and I'm guessing 7849? No, 4507. They really want me to like this one. So there's that, and there's that, and I believe, I'm not sure what each one of these are. I believe these are the chicken. There's a sesame chicken, and there's a cooking wine with chicken, and I think that's what these two are. Very, very popular in Taiwan. So thank you very much. Let's look at the other box. A 9649, 9649, that one's less dented. Hey, 7849, 9649, 9649, and 7849. Okay. Trying to sort all these out. I guess I could have done this before I committed to the video. Sometimes things just gotta happen the way they happen, and then they do happen, and it's good, you know? But I think what they did is they sent 2 boxes with 3 different varieties, and yeah, 4 of each. Wow, check that out. Well, thank you very much to TTL, and thank you very much to Cy Ben. He's the fellow that I met at the Taiwan International Food Show last November at the TTL booth, and all they had there looked like was you know, fine wines and hard liquors and stuff like that. And I walk up to him, I was like, so what about the noodles? And he's like, oh, and he like walks right around the corner and hiding in a corner of the noodles. And he knew who I was, and he gave me a bunch of the white wine sauce and the red wine sauce varieties, and yeah, so that was really cool. That was definitely on my bucket list of things to do on that trip to Taiwan. So yeah, definitely was very, very nice of him. So good guy. All right, well, thank you very much. This again is Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, click like. If you want to subscribe, please do so. I come out with videos every day. There's something new to see. So yeah, if you want to see something new every day, hit that notification bell. It'll alert you when I come out with a new recipe video, things like that. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater. Have a good one. Bye.